Looking for some creative challenge that will help you simply not to take yourself too seriously? I've got something for you, my friend. Now, before we jump in, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell notification button if you're interested in similar topics. Hello everyone, I'm Elena and I help people to unleash their own natural creative geniuses and how to maintain them as well. One of the biggest challenges that I have noticed for creative people is simply sometimes not to take themselves too seriously. So this exercise will be all about that. It's really simple. You can do that alone, you can do that with somebody, and I guarantee you will laugh at some point of time. The exercise goes like this. You go to the nearest mirror and put your head down. Then count to 3, and on 3, pick the head up, rise the head up, rise your head high. And by that you, on the impulse, try to make the silliest face you can ever make. And repeat that until you make yourself laugh. That's why you do that in front of the mirror. I'll show you some example. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, well, I laughed for this one. And then, when you find the silliest face, your task is to do something random that you can do at your home. Make a coffee, go pour yourself a glass of water, call a friend on a video chat. That's why I said that you can do that together with somebody. You can do that as well in front of an audience, whether it's one friend or more than one, and then the audience decides which is the funniest face, and then you have to do some really random things. Or maybe if you're more theatrical personality, you can do some monologue for 1 minute and just have fun with the face that you're making. If you want to go one step further, add silly walk to that as well. Take a look at that face and think, well, okay, what type of person would I be if I would have that face like a normal face and if I walked around like that? The main goal is to have fun, so just get silly, make yourself laugh, do what makes you feel fun. If you want some other challenging techniques, try this video afterwards. Also, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell notification button to know when a new video with similar content comes out. Have a creative week and see you on the next video.